Hey everybody, it's Will at VIP Mortgage. It's time for your local lender update. The bond market moved basically sideways last week, and this seems to be what I said in the last update, that the bond market has priced in the stress from the Middle East situation. We're not seeing big reactions based on headlines. They're just waiting to see if the situation actually changes. There was no major change before or after the peace talks in Pakistan, which means the bond market kind of assumed that that was going to go the way it went. And today we're seeing some small improvements, which is something that I'll take. I don't know if it's a good sign yet, but we're starting to build back toward those pricing averages that are serving as our overhead ceiling. We got pretty close to those, and right now that seems to be the determining factor. We're going to need some good news or bad news, significant good or bad news, to move the market out of the trading range that it's in, I think. And as we move forward, what are we watching for? Well, one thing we know is that we got a new inflation report last week. Inflation did go up quite a bit, but when you take out fuel and food prices, it actually went down slightly. Now, that's not amazing good news, but the interesting thing is the bond market didn't really react because it's what they expected. And as we know, the bond market moves based on expectations. Because there's not been much movement in the bond market, interest rates have stayed pretty stable over the last 2 weeks. And we are looking for probably this trading range to continue unless something significant changes. I would suggest that what the bond market expects has changed fundamentally, because the rules of shipping oil have changed fundamentally. At this point, I don't think whatever happens in that conflict, that what used to be the case for buying and selling oil will go back to normal. If there's anything we can do for you, give me a call, 719-232-7553, and we'll give you all the insights that you would like to know.